I think finance in general has a bad name. At the moment, it seems to have created a lot of toxic problems that brought us to the worst recession we've had since the Great Depression itself. Over the years, you have tried to invent products that use the insights of finance to give people a kind of insurance.
Right.
Insurance against recession, insurance even against your house going down. It seemed like a good idea to me, but they don't seem to have ever caught on. Do you have a sense of why that hasn't happened?
Well, the basic reason is that we haven't had 100 years yet. They'll catch on eventually. Look at the story of insurance.
Right.
The first fire insurance, well, it's ambiguous when the first one was, but a good date to pick is 1666. There was a big fire in London, and it got people thinking about insurance. They started the first big fire insurance companies then. And then life insurance came shortly. So that's a lot of years ago.
So
350 years
So look
ago.
forward 100 years and draw me a picture of what kind of financial insurance you think people might be able to buy if you're...
Yeah, I like to talk in a futuristic way.
Yeah, good.
I think that all of, well, first of all, you're talking about, did you say 100 years or a
You
long
pick the time.
I'm worried about this world in 100 years because technology is moving so fast, and we have artificial intelligence coming along that will replace all kinds of jobs. There might be much worse inequality. So living in that world, now it's hard to predict 100 years out, but I'm thinking that risk management would be even more important in the future because of what I just described, the possibility that your career could be totaled.
So in a world in which technology changes faster than people do, and which the wave may be hard to ride, because you think people may be able to buy insurance against losing their job or the value of their house going down?
Well, it has to be more subtle. So what I've advocated is that we should start now trying to collect data and have procedures to collect data on the risk factors that affect individuals. This is so important. And then you could insure against them. Now there's no way to insure against you're preparing for the wrong career. And in a highly technological society, I think any career preparation is risky. You have to design your career around the computers. And it's risky. So I think that one of my proposals, which I think is maybe more futuristic, but 100 years, certainly, there will be occupational income indexes, or maybe occupational income is a little bit off. It would be an index of earnings to some kind of capability. It might even be genetic, I mean, who knows? But you could then insure against the risks that you face with this.